Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share my dollar Japanese yen analysis with you. So I was waiting for an opportunity to enter the buy trade right after this thrusting upswing that was made in November 23. Then markets retraced down, then continued to the upside, and then it started going down slowly. So this was a retracement, and this will be considered to be a retracement as long as the price stays above this previous swing low. So it was developing in a fashion of making lower lows and lower highs. So I wanted market to break this tendency of making lower lows and lower high. So last swing high was here. So when market crossed above this high here, the tendency was broken. Some people take position right after the tendency is broken. So I didn't take the position. I wanted to enter at the better price, so I waited for the retracement. And this is what I always do when a tendency is broken. I do not enter immediately after a high is broken or a low is broken. So when this high was broken here, instead of entering at 104.217, I waited for retracement. Retracement was pretty deep, and then I wanted market to again continue to the upside to consider taking a buy position. So it continued to the upside, moving average crossover took place, RSI also crossed above 50 again. So all the criteria on this 1 hour time frame was made by the market. When I trade USD JPY, I more often look at Ichimoku on half an hour time frame. I have found that this Ichimoku works the best on yen pairs, and half an hour time frame on USD JPY is really good for this indicator. So when this retracement was taking place, price had gone below this blue line as well as the Ichimoku cloud, the cloud made by these orange lines, and then I wanted price to come back and cross above this blue line as well as above this Ichimoku cloud, because the first line of Ichimoku cloud is first resistance, second line was also pretty near, that was the second resistance. I wanted all these resistance to be broken. So when market came above this Ichimoku cloud as well as the blue line, I took my position at 104.10, and simultaneously the crossover and the moving average crossover and this simultaneously this moving average crossover and this RSI crossover took place on this 1 hour time frame. So the things happened simultaneously: moving average crossover, RSI above 50, and the price above Ichimoku cloud all took place simultaneously, and I took my position at 104.10, and my stop loss from here 104.10 my is 27.1 pips, but I've set my stop loss to 3 pips below this. So 103.80 is my stop loss. Here is my stop loss, slightly below this. So I'm kind of risking 29 pips, and my TP is AB equals CD, because 127.2% of BC is even farther. So I already set my TP already at 104.39, even 2 pips below this, because different brokers have different prices, so sometimes you can miss a target just by 2 or 3 pips. So better to keep your TP 2 or 3 pips below your the target you get on your MT4. So I've set my target at 104.39, and it is already giving me a risk and reward of 1:1. So it's okay to have 1:1 risk reward. And if I see at 4 hour time frame, there is no contradiction. Market made a thrusting upswing, and then this whole is a retracement, or you can say an inside session inside this previous upswing. So it's not contradicting with this a very small buy trade, because my target will already be completed right here, and then market can go to any direction. That doesn't put any hurdle in my trade. All right, if we look at the daily time frame, this is a trend line that is a down trend line, and this can work as a resistance, but this resistance is also beyond my target. So this resistance doesn't make any problem for my target. So that's all about this USD yen trade, and there is no significant news or event in Japan or USA. So I think there will be no trouble for this trade. So that's all. Thank you for watching.